To reassure voters that he's fit enough to run the country at age 71. John McCain releasing his medical records just a short time ago. The health records span the last 8 years, and they were looking at everything from his history of skin cancer to the results of his stress test. Fox News medical contributor Dr. Mark Siegel has been taking a look over those records, and he joins us down. Dr. Siegel, welcome. You know what pops out for a lot of people? Melanoma. I mean, his skin cancer. What do you think about that?
Well, you know, Eric, it's cloudy here in Phoenix today, but I have to tell you, Senator McCain's records are crystal clear. Over 1,000 pages show that the man is in excellent health. And in terms of his melanoma history, I've looked through pages and pages on that. And what he had removed in 2000, you know, all the lymph nodes that he had removed from the side of his face, that was a precaution. They were doing an extensive procedure in those days just to be on the safe side. Every lymph node, 33 of them were negative. There's no sign that this spread. It was in a fairly early stage, though it was deep. And again, he's had a recurrence of different kinds of skin cancers, but no recurrence of that melanoma. It looks like he's cured of that.
Yeah, we just looked at a photograph of that. If we could look again, when he had that surgery, he had intermediate melanoma, but Doc, the 10-year survival rate for intermediate is a 65% rate. All right, that's pretty encouraging, but it also means there's what, the 35% rate of non-survival. Is there anything to worry about in the senator's case?
Well, Eric, that's a very good point, Eric. And, you know, I looked at the actual biopsy itself to see what kind of a melanoma it was, and there weren't any curveballs there. It was very straightforward, no ugly features, and he's already 8 years out. So even though, you know, you're right about that 65% statistic, it gets better and better to get you closer to the 10-year mark. So that's why I'm saying, you know, probably now it would be an under 10% chance of recurrence at this point. Not zero, something he has to be really closely watched for, and you better believe he's getting dermatological evaluations all the time.
And they're watching for that. Another thing is the stress test. They said he was on the stress test for like 10 minutes when the average time for someone younger than he, 5 to 7 minutes, so he did pretty well on that.
You know, that's another thing. We talk about an obesity epidemic in the United States. He doesn't have that problem. He's good weight. He's lost 5 pounds. He walks a lot. You know, that will decrease his mental age as well. And I think he's in very good health that way. His cholesterol is a little bit higher than it should be. He's on cholesterol medication. And I've heard from a reliable source that he eats too many candy bars. Senator McCain, watch your diet a little bit. Keep up that exercise.
Egg whites. Yeah, he's got a 192 cholesterol. And then again, they say it's, you know, family history. Roberta, his mother, 96 years old.
She's incredible. Now, you know, 192 is okay. I want it to be lower. If he's my patient, lower it a little.
All right, get that cholesterol down. That could affect everybody and all of us, right, Jane?
But he looks great on those. His pages look good.
All right, thanks, Dr. Mark Siegel.
Give the guy a break. There's a lot of stress on that campaign trail.
And a lot of Hostess Twinkies.
That's right.
And stuff,
Snickers
you know?
every now and then. It's all right.